Hey, it's Dwight Cliff Jr. here with Cliff Construction, and right now I want to talk with you about the process of installing an undermount tub and the benefits that it kind of offers in terms of aesthetics and cleaning. And so this structure here, this framing, we built that to support this undermount tub. And so that's kind of the number one step, is to build a frame for the tub. And kind of there's a little bit of an illusion that's kind of going on here, because it's like, you might think about an undermount tub how you might think about an undermount sink, but it's not the same concept. And so, because we're not gluing the tub to the bottom of this piece of quartz that we have here, what we've actually done, we've built the frame around it, we built the tub, and then we got a picture of it and I'll show you this. But basically what has happened is that this tub sits on top of the frame, and then there's a lip that sits on top of the frame. And then what we did is we routed out a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that sits on top of the tub support here. And then what we've done is overlay that with this quartz here. And so we have pictures of that. I want to show you that. But basically that's how this undermount tub works. And so it looks like an undermount tub. It functions as an undermount tub, which is a really beautiful thing. And that's why we call it undermount tub. And so the benefits that it really offers as far as terms of cleaning and aesthetics, that it's a very clean look. When we're finished with this bathroom, we're gonna have one clean line going straight down from here to where the shower is gonna be at. So in terms of aesthetics, you have clean lines. That's one of the beautiful parts about it. And also in terms of cleaning, if you ever get water on your tub deck, it's just a wipe into the shower, a wipe into the tub. And so most tubs that you see, they're not built like that. You might have a tub deck and you might have tile just below the lip of the tub. And so it kind of makes it a pain to clean. This here will be a dream to clean. It's going to be aesthetically pleasing and a beautiful product. And so that's kind of the process that you have for installing an undermount tub. Oh, and one other thing I forgot to mention is that for the tub filler, we have to drill through and make our holes here on site, and we have to hook up all of our plumbing before we get our walls installed here. So we're going to test that with our plumber, make sure they got put in correctly, make sure our hot was hot and it's cold where it needs to go. The hot goes to the hot and the cold goes to the cold. Sorry there. And so this is one of those steps we take to make sure that, hey, we don't have to take any tile out or redo anything because it didn't look right or didn't function right. And so very beautiful bathroom. That's the process for installing an undermount tub. Thanks for watching.